What's up guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I will show you how to transfer or send Ethereum from Phantom Wallet to Binance. So you might be wondering how to exactly transfer or send Ethereum here from your Phantom Wallet account to Binance. First things first is you want to get the address for your Binance account. So usually speaking, you want to go to Binance.com and just log in, and you want to go hover over wallet here, and you want to go and choose spot. Now from here, you want to go and choose the option here that says deposit at the top right, and just choose the option here that says deposit crypto. Now let's go and choose our coin here. So since we want to send or receive Ethereum here, let's go and choose ETH, choose Ethereum, and want to check or select your network here. Let's go and choose the ETH network. Now from here, you should get your address here. Let's go and copy that and make sure to remember which network that you're using right now. Let's go and open up our Phantom Wallet. Now in your Phantom Wallet, what we need to do is you want to go and choose the send option here. And from here, you want to go and choose Ethereum here that says Ethereum. So let's just choose ETH. And make sure you're using the Ethereum network here. Let's go and choose this one. So this is the Ethereum that uses the Ethereum network. But yeah, let's go and paste the address here and the amount as well. And just click on next at the bottom right here and just confirm a few things in order for you to make your transfer. Now, transfer ranges from a few seconds to a few minutes. So usually around 3 to 5 minutes. So just patiently wait for that. And also just make sure that you're using the correct network when you're making the transfer. So make sure it's actually matching. But yeah, so if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like or maybe subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.